Welcome to Ask Sean. This is a reading from Russ Ramsey. If only people could look beyond their imagined impressions of others. If only we could see each other as we really are and not as exaggerated stereotypes. If only a genuine curiosity about the lives of others formed our pursuit to know them, then so many of the forces that divide us would be emptied of their power. We would see the common human experiences of joy and sorrow, love and loss, struggle and victory in those around us, and we would count it all sacred. Understanding would replace ignorance, respect would overcome resistance. Until next time, peace be with you.